Hey, it's Ethan. Just got bored, so decided to try to hit some balloons. And my airsoft gun. This my pistol out of ammo because I tried it earlier and it doesn't work. This gun, not too accurate, but I'm going to see what I can do. Alright, try with those balloons. Two of them there. Missed. Missed. Not too accurate with this gun because it's brand new. Got it for Christmas. Haven't really used it. There's one. Let's try the red one. I don't know. This gun isn't really working all that well. And my phone is being weird. Try it again. I hit it, as you could hear. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Try it one last time. Missed it. Alright, now a couple balloons over there. Couple balloons over there. I'm going to try using my pistol, so you can just wait a second. Watch my balloons, I guess. There. And pistol loaded. And now we are trying to get those balloons. Don't know what just happened, but a balloon over here popped right as I shot that. Pretty weird. There's a clip on the ground way over there. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, almost hit it. Hit it. And my pistol's out of ammo. And she hit the gun. Try this red one again. Oh, that didn't sound too good. It came back and hit me. Almost. Oh well, let's try hitting that one over there that's just standing still. And you know that I got these with the BB set, so it's okay that I'm shooting on in my yard. I don't know what? I'm getting mad. Gonna reload my pistol really quick. And try. Here you go. Cocked. Ow! Ow, it just came back and hit me in my chest. That didn't feel too good. Let's try hitting the small one. Ah! My pistol sucks at popping balloons. Because all it did is knock it down. And it hit me again. So I had to go back up and get my big gun. Woohoo! Crap. I don't have bullets. Wow, that doesn't even do anything. Let's do this. Another one. Wow. Another one at the top. I don't know, now it's all like gross and yeah, I'll show you the clip with the balloon that can pop randomly. There's a clip holding it and the balloon sort of in it. Now, one last balloon. And I missed because I wasn't paying attention. Or it's out. Yep. Alright. The case is out. Reload. Ready. And there it goes. So, bye for now, and Josh and I will be making more videos. See ya.